So far we have seen a center widget uh, for rendering a widget on the center of the body. Okay, so in this widget we will discuss three new widget. One is padding, the second one is margin, and third one is the container. So let's get started. So for that I just add, first we will discuss about the padding widget. So what is the padding widget? uh, if you want to add some spacing inside the widget, then you will use a padding widget. So for padding widget you will use a padding widget. It has a property with the name of padding. So and then I will use a child widget, uh, like I'm use a text child widget, and I will add some padding inside this widget. So I will use a text widget. You can use any widget, and it has the text hello world. Okay, and here I'm going to add some padding for this widget. Okay, so for adding this widget, if you don't want to add this padding, okay, this is compulsory. So for adding widgets we have a class which has a different method. By use of these methods we can padding as expected. So we will see, like here is a class edge insets. This class has different methods, like first I will use add all, and I will give a value of spacing as a pixel. So like I am giving here 20. That means this text widget will take space inside uh, of 20 pixel. Okay, so I'm going to run this application. Then you will see the difference. You will see the output hello world with spacing of 20 pixel from every side, because we have add edge insets dot all. Okay, so by use of this padding property we can put a space inside the widgets. So here we have different options for edge insets. Like if you want to uh, put spacing symmetrically means if you want to put some spacing horizontally or some spacing vertically, then you can use symmetric method. Here you can use horizontal. Mean if horizontally if you are giving 20 pixel, and for vertically if you are putting different size like 40, then you will see the difference. I run it again, and here you will see the left, the horizontally spacing is 20 dp or 20 pixel, or the vertical spacing is or padding is 40 pixel. So this is symmetric. And if you want to put the different spacing from left, right, top, bottom, then you can use the next property from LTRB. Here you can put different spacing, like if you are putting for different spacing for both the sides, then see the output 10, 20. 30, 40 like this. Okay, so this is all about the padding widget. And padding widget can be used for any widget because it is inside the widget, because it is taking space inside the widgets. Okay, so the next property is margin. Margin is like if you want to put a space around the widget, then you can use a margin widget. Okay, so for margin I will use a third widget with the name of container, because the container can have padding and margin, both the properties inside it. So containers, first we will discuss container. What is container? Container is like a layout. It can have a multiple widget insides. Okay, so it is like a layout. So I will remove it, then I will use a container layout, then you will see the difference. Container widget. In the container widget, I will use a child with the name with text. Same. I'm taking same widget. Hello what? Okay, and you can put a color also for this container, so the visibility will be good, or you can see the difference. Color is colors dot red. Okay, then I'm going to run this application. So this is container, and by default if you add a widget inside the container, it will be wrapped. Its height and width will be wrapped. Okay, and if you will remove the child, then it will be cover, this container will cover the entire screen or entire body. Okay, you also can see this. If you want to remove this child and I'm run it again, then it will cover entire the body. See this. Okay, and if you want to add one property or one widget inside, then it will wrap around it. Run it again. Okay, so now if you and you are using now the container widget, so in the container you can add padding and margin both. Like first I'm going to add a padding. Here is a property with the name of padding, uh, and you can add any property edge insets dot all. Like I'm adding 20. This means add comma here. This means this padding is for this container. Means this child widget will take space around it, around its corner, because this padding is for container widget, not for text widget. Okay, so you will see the difference. uh, See, this container is taking space inside it, that is called padding. Okay, and if you want to put any space around the corner of this container, then you have to use the next widget, that is margin. So here I am going to use the next property, margin. Then same you can use edge insets dot all 20. Then you will see the difference. See, so the margin means it is taking space around the corner of the widget, and if you are using a padding, that means it is taking space inside the widget. So this is all about the padding, margin and container. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.